Week 1, dopamine and root and sacral chakra. The theme: rebuild the motivation from the ground up. Welcome back to our midday dopamine root sacral chakra. Rebuild the motivation from the ground up. Dopamine 101. Your brain's reward circuit explained in simple and plain English. Hopefully a 5-year-old could understand it. Dopamine is your brain's way of saying that mattered. Every time you complete something, no matter how small or how big, even though we like big, you get a chance to have chemical hits of pride. So it's not just willpower, it's biology.